guys, today we're going to be opening up toys like we always do, but Sophia has something different. I have something different, but Sophia, what are you going to opening up today?
I'm going to be opening up first that you can color on.
So it's like a Groovy. It's a color of Groovy, so you get to color anything you want. I'm going to be opening up another sport, but this time it is hockey. And I did like hockey when I was like 7 years old. When I was 8 years old, and when I was 8 years old, I loved basketball. So let's start opening, and I just went through the packs. So you should get ready, Sophia.
I'm ready. I have one, but I have the dog one, so I didn't have to go ahead. How many do I have?
Oh yeah. So I got the NHL book. I like the NHL sign. Do you like Do you guys like NHL? Comment down below.
Well, thank you, Magical William. I'm going to get my markers out because I'm ready.
Okay, I gotta get this out here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so I'm still on my coloring, and I'm using the blue one, the blue marker. I'm concentrating so I don't scribble that much. I'm a joker, so I joke around with people.
So I'm starting off.
You talk.
I am. I'm just so busy.
Okay, I'm so busy. I'm busier than you. I have like a
Sophia, you're coloring and I'm doing Lego. Lego's way harder.
No, coloring is way harder. Coloring this whole thing is like way harder than yours.
Come on, Sophia. This is 23 pieces. Yeah.
This is like 1,003,000 and a billion pieces.
Here. Oh, dang. Oh, dang. Ridiculous. Oh, ridiculous. Oh, come back.
I'm trying my best to make this like cool guitar.
Ah, the net looks so cool.
Wait, can I see? Ooh, is that a karate soccer net?
No, that isn't a soccer net. This is a net. Okay, so
Put the code.
2,
So I'm gonna put this on the
3,
code.
2, 1, and he shoots, and he has the puck, and he shoots, and he misses the puck. Capitals.
Wait, you forgot his laser shoes.
Don't care, and he gets the puck. And then he shoots, and then he misses. He tries to save it, and he went out the net. He goes out the net, and he scores. Ovation. And we are done. And so, this actually takes so long. It's a bit harder than it's actually way harder than what is it? The basketball one, because I pretty much built everything, and it took very long. Sophia, how did you like yours?
Mine is.
So we're gonna do the scale of 1 to 5. Sophia, what do you think? What do you think? Sophia. Okay, I think she says it's a 1. I think it's
a 5.
I think this is a 5. So if you like this video,
Smash
smash that like button,
button,
hit the bell notification so you never ever miss a video, and hit the subscribe button, and say happy birthday to my sister today because it's her birthday. I'm just kidding, it's her birthday.
No, say tomorrow.
No, it isn't. So we'll see you all next time. Good. Bye.